Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Mohammad Samasan, a Pakistan national currently in Europe trying to do something better. So if I do something good, then the credit goes to our creator, Allah Almighty, and if I do something wrong, then blame me, not my religion, not my country. So today is my 10th day in Italy. So as you can see, it's night here. It's 26th December and the holiday is still going on. Most of the shops you see here are closed, but the food points, the restaurants are open as usual. So today I just want to mention one thing. If you want to achieve something in life, then focus on yourself, focus on your goals. Don't compare yourself with others, so that you have a clarity. When you compare yourself with someone else, then you don't know the micro things, the micro principles that is being that varies from cases to cases. So you don't know about them. You just see someone's success, but you don't see his struggle, his background, his doing, and his consistency. So make sure, just whatever you are trying to achieve, just try to play with the smart way, and do things consistently. So there is also an announcement for today. From today I will be starting an Urdu series as well, and I dedicate this series to my father, who just pushed me to do it sooner. So thank you so much, Papa, and thank you everyone for listening. So see you in another video. That's all for today. Till then, bye bye, ciao ciao.